Hello everyone, this is Denise Maloney here and I want to show you how to send a boomerang. It is very simple to send a boomerang and I'm going to share my screen and show this to you. So hold on a minute. So share the screen. Let's make me a little bigger so you can see me. Okay, I got here. There's the boomerang site. What I did was I asked my girlfriend Donna if I can use her site because I wanted to be able to show you what it looks like when you just start. So anyhow, right up here you can see on the right hand side there is the login. So hit the login button like that. And then you come to the welcome page. So you got a TSA number. Make sure you write that down and put it in a safe spot, and your password. But if you forget your password, don't worry about it. There's that forget password button right there. Oh dear, what did I do? Okay. So anyhow, no, not to worry. We're just gonna hit sign in. And oh my God, Donna got one. Oh my God, what a little sneak. She didn't tell me. So anyhow, this is the back office here. We're not gonna go through the back office, but another day I'll go through the back office and I'll show you how all this works. But when we first start out, there'll be zeros all the way across, but Donna put a sneaky on me. She got someone to sign up in first class, and so that's why there's a 1. So anyhow, we're here to show you how to do a boomerang. So down here in the middle, this is how you send a boomerang. And Donna bought the first class package, so she had 50 boomerangs. So she has 39 available to send out to friends, family, colleagues, whoever, and she has 11 that are pending. So it kind of keeps track there. But to send a boomerang out, you need the person's first name, last name, their email, and mobile number. And then you have this little spot that says expiration date. So what to do here is whoops, what is it? Why am I, my computer, there you go. You can see it has 1, 2, 3, 7, 15 days. So you can decide how many days you want to have that boomerang last, because if they don't use it, it comes back to you. So what does that mean? It doesn't mean they have to be booking a trip in 15 days or 7 days. All it is how many days you're going to let them have to activate the account. And I usually give 7 days. That's my choice, but you can pick whoever you want to have whatever days you want assigned to that person. Maybe you know somebody that you know will take a little longer and you want to give them more time than 7 days, but 7 days is my lucky number here. So then once you put the name, number, email, mobile, and the expiration date on the code, you hit the generate code button. And here on the right-hand side down the bottom, where I'm kind of circling my pointer here, that's where the code will come up. So you want to write that code down, and then what you do is you send your prospect here to this iBoom.com. I'm just going to copy this here, and I'm going to show you how this looks. So Control V, enter. All right, so then they would get, this website will pop up. So you give them the link, you give them the code, they put their code in, they submit the code, and then what happens is, I don't know if you can see it, but once they submit the code, they have to put their first name, last name, email, they set up their account, password, and then they can start shopping on the site. And I always tell my friends to put the website in their favorites so they will always have it. So anyhow, that is how you do it. If you have questions, comment below. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Denise and Sean. We will be putting more important updates on the website as we go through, as this company is still in pre-launch, so it's pretty exciting and it's growing. So if you want to join our team, just let us know. And I don't know, that's all I have. Have a great day. All right, bye. Whoop, did I hit end meeting? There we go, end meeting.